Here at the Talking Monkeys Project, it's much more than a primate sanctuary. I've learned so much about how simple choices can impact the environment. Through recycling and composting, Dr. Deb has been able to reduce the environmental footprint left through the sanctuary.
I'm currently a biology student at FGCU. For most of my coursework so far, I've been in the classroom learning about environmental sustainability, understanding what conservation is and how to preserve the land. The first time I've ever put that into play was when I got to work with the Talking Monkeys Project with Dr. Deb.
Some of the primates that have come here came here for a reason, and that reason being poor treatment or a lifestyle that was inconsistent with their natural lifestyle.
One of the things that I've learned working for Dr. Dev is what a big problem animal trafficking is globally, and especially here even on the local level. They're mistreated from the get-go, so they're taken out of the wild, they're kept in harsh conditions, and they're sold to owners who think they're going to make great pets. So every primate that's here has been rescued from that environment.
The Talking Monkeys Project really focuses on how animals can be rescued from entertainment purposes and just enjoy their life doing what an animal is meant to be doing. The primates having the opportunity to be rescued and come to the Talking Monkeys Project is something that unfortunately a lot of animals used for entertainment pieces don't get to experience. Dr. Deb has primates at this sanctuary that are getting to live out the rest of their lives in peace and enjoy being a gibbon or enjoy being a spider monkey the way that they were meant to. So coming here just really, it makes my heart happy knowing that knowing that I'm helping a primate live the life that they were meant to live when they were born.